everyone, I'm back in the kitchen today. It's fall time and I'm ready for some pumpkin. My nieces wanted me to fix something with pumpkin spice and pumpkin, so I'm fixing a pumpkin frozen latte. With some ice, I added to my Ninja blender. It ended up being a cup and a half of ice is what I used. 3 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie mix, just the puree, the pumpkin puree. I should have used a smaller spatula. Okay, and then 2 tablespoons of packed brown sugar, which I use the Swerve brown sugar, but you can use regular brown sugar. 1/4 of coffee that I had left from this morning. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Any brand's fine, your homemade's fine, whatever you want to use. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/2 cup of milk of your choice. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this up really well. These little Ninja blenders are so handy. It crushes the ice so good. I will leave the link below if you're interested in it. I just love this time of the year, fall, when it's getting a little chilly out. Okay, I'm gonna add some more ice. It wasn't as thick as I like it, so I'm gonna add a little bit more ice, which, like I said, it ended up being a cup and a half of ice. I'm just gonna mix it up really well. Ooh, look at that color. It looks so pretty. You just pour it in whatever kind of glass that you want to use. I just used a mason jar. And added a straw. And of course, we have to add whipped cream to the top. And sprinkle a little bit of pumpkin pie spice. Just to add a little bit more extra, something special to it. Look at that. Don't it look good? It tasted really good. I really liked it. Thank you for joining me today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day and have a happy fall. Take care and God bless.